Federal Ministry of Health has confirmed the first case of coronavirus in Nigeria. The Nigerian government has confirmed a coronavirus disease case in Lagos State, Nigeria. The Federal Ministry of Health confirmed this on Friday morning in a statement signed by the Minister of Health, Dr. Osagie Ehanire. The case, which was confirmed on the 27th of February 2020, is the first case to be reported in Nigeria since the beginning of the outbreak in China in January this year. The statement disclosed that the case is an Italian citizen who works in Nigeria and returned from Milan, Italy to Lagos, Nigeria on the 25th of February this year. He was confirmed by the virology laboratory of the Lagos University Teaching Hospital, which is part of the laboratory network of the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC. The patient is clinically stable with no serious symptoms and is being managed at the Infectious Disease Hospital in Yaba, Lagos State. The Nigerian government said it has been strengthening measures to ensure an outbreak in Nigeria is controlled and contained quickly. It noted that the multi-sectoral coronavirus prepared group led by the NCDC has immediately activated its National Emergency Operations Center and will work closely with Lagos State health authorities to respond to this case and implement firm control measures. The minister added, "I wish to assure all Nigerians that we have been beefing up our preparedness capabilities since the first confirmation of the case in China, and we will use all the resources made available by the government to respond to this case. We have already started working to identify all the contacts of the patient since he entered Nigeria. Please be reminded that most people who become infected may experience only mild illness and recover easily, but it can be more severe in others, particularly the elderly and persons with underlying chronic illness." The minister advised that all Nigerians should take good care of their health and maintain hand and respiratory hygiene to protect themselves and others, including their own families, following the precautions that they should follow the precautions stated below. 1. Regularly and thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water and use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Secondly, he said, maintain at least 1.5 meters, that is 5 feet distance, between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. He added, person with persistent cough or sneezing should stay home or keep a social distance but not mix in crowd. Make sure you and people around you follow good respiratory hygiene, meaning cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your sleeve at the bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately. Then she finally advised that stay home if you feel unwell with symptoms like fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing. Please call NCDC toll-free number, which is available day and night for guidance. The numbers are 080 097 000010. Do not engage in self-medication. He warned. Stay informed on the latest development about coronavirus through official channels on TV and radio, including the Lagos State Ministry of Health, NCDC, and Federal Ministry of Health. The Nigerian government says citizens must not abuse social media and indulge in spreading misinformation that cause fear and panic. That is a good one coming out from the Minister of Health, who have come out to caution Nigeria, and I believe we all listen to the precautions measures as outlined in the news. So please stay healthy and avoid contact with anyone you see sneezing or coughing. And if you know you feel unwell, please stay at home to avoid contacting this disease. And don't forget to contact NCDC or the closest Ministry of Health close to your state, or the minister. Contact the federal government for more information. And according to some reports that I can get from the social media, some persons have come out to warn against excessive abuse of chloroquine, because there's this news going around that if you take chloroquine, that you will be immune to this disease. There is only way to prevent it. Please, we should not forget what happened during the outbreak of the Ebola disease, when this same kind of news spread that if you bathe salt water, that you will not contact this disease, which we all know how it ended, that it didn't go down well with some persons, it later caused corrosion and harm to their skin, that some people were even hospitalized. So please, Nigerians, I will advise us at this moment to stay calm and be very observant, and we should do our best not to contact this disease. Thank you for visiting Awakes Network, and if this is your first time, don't forget to press the red subscription button and notification bell icon to stay abreast with the latest news coming out from Nigeria. And to make your comment or to share your opinion with us concerning this news or in any matter, go to the comment section and make your opinion known, so that we'll also know how you feel concerning this matter. Thank you, and stay blessed with our Awakes Network.